Hi, I'm Monica from My Local Garden. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to assemble this quick pop-up planter. Right here is what will be delivered to your door. So we have it in two colors. Here in front of me is the sage, and then this is the color of the lilac. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the planter. Come on over. So as you can see on this lilac foot we have two studs that come out from these bolt ends. Those are going to slide very easily inside the planter that's assembled. From the inside, you feed the bolt through. You can start finger threading the nut and then finish it off with your 1/2-inch wrench. A beautiful upcycled tarp already has holes drilled out to make sure that the water does run through. And all you need to add is your soil and your plants.